Hey, what's up? It's Matt, and today my video is going to be on what you need to promote on Facebook successfully. Before I go into it, I just want to say check out my YouTube page where I think it's over 30 videos on CPA and affiliate marketing, different tools, different tricks to use. I have things like creating PDFs for URL links, creating Facebook advertising campaign, how to create a Facebook page, tools you need to swipe landing pages. Basically, goes on and on. You can see here are my videos on and on and on. Basically, trying to teach you how to do it, how to do affiliate and CPA marketing with the least amount of cost out of your pocket. All right. So today is going to be what you need to promote a Facebook successfully on Facebook successfully, and it's actually not as difficult as many people think, but you just have to have the right tools. So you do need a Facebook business account, and basically that separates your personal account with your business account or with your advertising account. Just look it up. Go to YouTube and look up how to do that. It's very easy to connect. It's just one nice way of dividing different accounts, so that if something happens to one and it gets suspended or shut down, you don't lose your whole Facebook. Just good to have. Next thing is, after you have your Facebook business account, you have your Facebook account, you want to create a Facebook page with a niche chosen. So it can be parenting, it could be dog training, it could be whatever your niche is. You want to have a Facebook page kind of in general around that page. And I have a link here on creating a Facebook fan page. You can just check that out as well. So you want the page to be, kind of general, but also, if I can say, what the page is about. So if you're doing parenting, you want to build a page on parenting, and then you'll have offers that you're going to promote there. So you have the fan page, you have the niche you're choosing. Next, you want to choose an offer, and you can get those from different CPA companies, Peerfly, Max Bounty, ClickBank, things like that. The next thing you want is to have a domain name to redirect that affiliate offer. Basically, Facebook does not like affiliate links in their advertising. They just don't like it. So you can get domain names for 88 cents. You go to Namecheap.com and you can get a domain name for like under $1 for 12 months. It's incredible, and then you just get around that affiliate offer or around that fan page, and you can use that. You can forward that domain name over and over and over again. Next thing, which some people don't share, is called the Facebook sharing debugger, and this is actually the link to it right here. You take your affiliate link, you plug it in right here, and you hit debug, and what it'll do is it'll come up as it's good to promote or not good to promote. Basically, there are some affiliate offers that Facebook just does not like at all, and they're banned basically. And then there's some that they haven't been promoted or not been promoted much, and they don't have a problem with it. So you test your affiliate link there. Then you also get the domain name. You're going to forward it. And then the last thing, basically, most important, is advertising. It has to be targeted. So once you go into the advertising part of Facebook, you want to start targeting down where you want it. So if it's parenting and you're doing something with children who are in school, you can narrow down your targeting to parents who have children that are 5 years old and up, things like that. And again, I do have a Facebook. I do have a YouTube video on Facebook advertising or creating a campaign. You can check that out. But that's basically it. And then it comes down to testing, finding what's working and what's not working. I recommend only spending about $5 a day. and then seeing if you're getting conversions, and if you are, then you start to bump it up, and again, testing, changing things up, changing the wording, changing the image, things like that to make it work. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, go to my channel, like, subscribe, comment if you got any questions about anything, and take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.